How to fix laptop touchpad not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix touchpad not working. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First right click on Windows icon. Now select Device Manager. Now look for the option of mouse and other pointing devices and double click on it to expand. Now right click on your pointing device and click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And if it says the base driver is already installed, you can proceed towards the next step. You can even check for the human interface devices and expand it. And you need to look at the touchpad setting. If you find it, you can right click on the touchpad driver and select update driver. And if it's already updated, you can choose uninstall device to uninstall the driver. After uninstalling, you can easily reinstall the driver. And with that, you are good to go. Now your touchpad should start working. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.